Hi boys and girls, welcome to Tuesday night's book fair. It's me, Mrs. Frassetto, and we are going to read some Piggy and Elephant books tonight. So I have my friends with me, Piggy and Elephant, and they're so excited to be a part of our reading. So the book we are going to read is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. So I'm going to bring my little Piggy and Elephant figure puppets out, and they say hello. Here we go.
Pigs make me sneeze.
Achoo! Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. Ha, ha. A what? Ha, ha. A ball? A swim? Achoo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, don't speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news. I have a cold. Good for you. I hope you enjoyed that story. Piggy looks a little upset that he now is sick too. But Gerald is excited because he is not allergic to his best friend, Piggy. Happy reading. Have a great night.